So recently I was down at Blog Indiana. It was a conference in Indianapolis, Indiana about social marketing, social media, online marketing in general, blogging, etc. And my subject was social media failures, or actually social media near misses and outright failures. And I experienced a customer service issue on the way to Blog Indiana and while I was at Blog Indiana that I was going to share during my presentation and I forgot. So here is the hotel handwritten note hiccup that occurred. So on my way down, I had not yet secured a hotel reservation. So I called up a local hotel. And I got hung up on after being put on pseudo hold, where I could hear the person in the background complaining about various things, and then I just got hung up on. Before he hung up on me, he did quote that the price for a hotel that evening was 104 something something. So I called them back because it was really close to where I wanted to stay. And he quoted me 114, and I said, "Well, when I got hung up on a few minutes ago," and the guy started arguing with me that nobody hung up on me. And of course, I don't care whether it was somebody hung up on me or whatever. The line was disconnected. So, so I said, "Well, so are you going to honor the 104, or why did you quote me 104 when now you're quoting me 114?" And he's like, "Oh, well, it must have changed." Anyway, it became this banter that did not need to occur, and I was several times ready to just hang up until the gentleman kind of started backpedaling and kind of changed his tune a little bit. Okay, so we get the reservation. I show up, and it takes 10 minutes for anybody to show up at the front desk. Now, hang on, I'm going someplace with this. So I've been hung up on. I've been made to wait approximately 10 minutes to check in. I'm obviously not having a good customer experience. And then while waiting to meet for some friends to come down from their room, the phone was just ringing incessantly at the front desk, and there's this one gentleman that's taking the calls. And what then happened is I hear him. I'm sitting right in the front desk lobby area in his eyesight, and he yells out, "Jesus!" Just unbelievably, loud. And so, okay, and this is the same guy all the way through. So anyway, so now, this guy's, said this, and I'm feeling even more uncomfortable. So then when I check out, I notice that there is a note on my bill here, and it goes into all of these nice pleasantries about how it was nice to have me stay there, and they hope to have me back, and etc. And the whole point of this is that note does not overcome all of the previous experience from the poor customer service that I had received. So while the hotel had it right at the end, they didn't have enough things right in the beginning to really recognize that there was a problem. You need to fix the problem first before you continue with the pleasantries, because this isn't enough to overcome that. So anyway, there's another fail. It's not really a social media fail. It's just a customer service fail. But I thought you guys would get a kick out of that. Have a great day.